Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here to tell you the whisper of the day. But before we get to today's whisper, you know what? We got to talk about yesterday's whisper. So yesterday, still loving Alcoa after earnings. Great volatility comes out after these guys come out with their numbers. And you can see I had two levels yesterday. I was bearish below the 1060. And I was bullish above the 1070 because that's where most of the price action was pre-market. So before the market even opened, it had a great run down from the 1060, 20 cents down to 1040. And of course, the pre-market bandit rocked this. In fact, he made a day's pay before the market even opened. But other traders rocked this on the way up after it broke through the 1070. Keith L had a great 20-cent trade on it. Carl rocked it. But the trader of the day goes to Marie, a.k.a. Pinky Panther. This girl was hot yesterday, but the best thing about yesterday with Pinky was she did her first options trade off the dark pool sell prints that we spotted early on the SPY. We spotted them at this 207.32 level, and a whole bunch of us put on a short trade, and it was phenomenal. So great trading, Pinky, and congratulations on that options trade. You made $110 on a first trade. Not bad, right? All right, well, I just got to mention Ron. This guy, 300% he made on his SPY puts yesterday. Great trade, Ron. All right, so what are we watching today? Well, the dollar had a nice drop. Did you see the UUP this morning? All the way down to 25. So oil's starting to heat up, but I really got my eye on UWTI. Some really nice prints coming in this morning at the 226 area. And bullish above 225. I do have a high-end target on this at 250, but it's going to have resistance first at this 240 area. So definitely loving this guy, as well as BP. Really love this above the 40 level. There's definitely a lot of room up to about 40.50 on this guy. And American Airlines starting to heat up with volume, 44,000 shares so far. Trades really well off the 20-cent increment. So watching the 40 level, going to be bullish above that. But a good entry would be around this 40.20 level if you can get into that. And also Brenda in the Java pit. She really likes BlackBerry today. There's some rumor chatter with Google going on. I don't know. There's not a lot of volume yet, but keep your eye on this, especially that $8 level. Okay, if it can pop above that today, there's a lot of room on the upside, but it's still waiting on volume. Oh, but before I leave you, Nokia was also yesterday's whisper. I got shaken out a couple of cents, but I hope that some of you got this. Look at this huge spike this morning. Wow. And in April on StockTwits, she's rocking GSK. She sent me a message. She took this trade on my whisper. So great trading there, April. Okay, come watch me trade along with my amazing traders at the Java Pit Trading Room at www.thestockwhisperer.com. Happy trading, everybody.